Now if I want to add a second page so I can have the information on this subassembly, I can do that easily. I can just go over here, right click, and do add a sheet. Now I can go back to drawing, model view. I'm going to go to assembly 4, just double click on that, bring that in, probably again, top, isometric, shaded, grab its table. I usually like to do a build tree off of that view and bring it in. And you can see I'm going to have to change this again, so I'm going to go ahead and go to my long pin, update its properties. Go to the part number, save it. And there we go. So again, pick here, flip my title to the bottom, pick, I want to use this to be a custom property of my part number, and there we go. So that's there. Now I can add in my drawings of my part. So right click, add sheet. Maybe just do that a couple times. Kind of have to click back and forth. Now this is when I go right away. Double click to reactivate that sheet, or click it down here. And now I can bring in, maybe I want this chain link to be the first thing. There you go. Here I go to this sheet here, and I want to just bring the standard 3 view to the long pin, and it automatically drops in all 3. I don't need those, and actually the orientation was all wrong, so I'm just going to grab that, and I don't need that either. So I'm going to go to a new model view, long pin, and I just want the side view here, but I want to rotate it, so I'm going to click on it, go to the rotate, and tell it to rotate 90 degrees. Now I can bring, oops, 90, apply it. Now I can bring the scale of this sheet up if I want. Same thing for sheet 5. Click on it here, model view, short pin. Rotate it by 90 degrees, and there we go. So now I have all of my sheets for this whole assembly. So the major assembly, a sub, and then the 3-part sheets for it, all together in one file. To save this, I could go in and print it, or I can go into File, Save As. Save it as that. I can save it as a PDF file, and make sure I tell it to export all pages once it comes up. Put it as change settings. There we go. All right.